Welcome back to POSIX. In this episode of Keep Track, Stay Ahead, we're diving into one of the most basic and expensive problems on the shop floor: search and find. If your operators spend half their shift hunting for pallets, whip carts, or a missing forklift, you're not running a factory, you are running a scavenger hunt. And the frustrating part? Most systems say they know where everything is, but the location is only as good as the last barcode scan. In a traditional setup, an operator scans a pallet at receiving, or a tray at a workstation, and the system logs the official location. The moment that asset moves without a scan, gets picked up by a forklift, parked in the wrong lane, or left in a buffer area, the system has no idea where it went, or how long it's been missing. On paper, it's in zone B3. In reality, it's blocking a doorway in zone D1. That gap between system truth and floor reality is where time, money, and trust disappear. With POSIX, each asset is tagged using the best fit technology: UWB for maximum accuracy, BLE, GPS, or a hybrid approach, giving you continuous, real-time visibility instead of relying on a single scan. Pallets, whip carts, reusable packaging, tools and material and handling equipment like forklifts all show up in real time on the POSIX map. Need to find a specific order? You simply search for it, and the system shows you its live position, not a guess from 3 moves ago. We also add geofences, virtual zones on a map. You can define staging areas, maintenance zones, high priority lanes, or shipping docks. When an asset or a forklift enters or leaves a zone, POSIX can trigger alerts, log the event, or update other systems. That means you don't just see where things are, you can control how they move through your process. Under the hood, POSIX supports multiple location technologies: UWB, Bluetooth Low Energy, and GPS, giving operations the flexibility to track assets with the right level of accuracy for each use case. POSIX own tags use UWB, delivering high precision indoor tracking with excellent reliability. UWB works indoors and outdoors with slightly lower outdoor accuracy in certain regions, and is ideal for environments that need detailed positioning and fast updates. POSIX also supports BLE and GPS devices from partner ecosystems. BLE works indoors and outdoors and is well suited for tracking large populations of lower cost assets over wider areas. GPS adds true outdoor visibility, extending tracking across yards, lots, and large sites where infrastructure isn't practical. For assets in MHE, we use the POSIX Industrial Tag, a rugged IP66-67 rated tag built for tough environments. Shock-resistant, long-lasting, and designed to handle everything from forklifts to pallets to heavy equipment without compromising performance. For people, we use the POSIX Wearable Tag. It's compact, lightweight, and comfortable, with multiple mounting options like wristbands, clips, or lanyards. It delivers reliable positioning for safety, labor association, and understanding how work actually flows through your operation. Both families support multi-year battery life, using motion-based update logic to conserve power. That means you get continuous, real-time visibility without constant maintenance or downtime. Whether it's POSIX high-accuracy UWB tags or third-party BLE and GPS devices, the POSIX platform supports the right tracking method for every type of asset, anywhere they move in your operation. So search and find isn't just about where's my pallet, it's about turning every moving asset and every piece of MHE into a live data point that you can act on. In the next episodes, we'll build on this foundation and show how the same real-time visibility powers work in progress tracking, smarter routing, and true flow optimization across your factory. This is POSIX Search and Find. Keep track, stay ahead.